Good morning, students. Today we will study Moral Science Chapter 2, that is Fragrance of Friendship. So, students, friendship is very important in our life. When we are child, we do friendship. When we are adult, we do friendship. And when we are old, we do friendship. So, what we should avoid and what should we do in friendship? This is we will read in this chapter. So, MSc Moral Science is all about what we need to do and what we should avoid. So, in this chapter, we will read about friendship. So, we will start with one story. So, story is like that there was once a time. Okay, there was once a time very long ago, and all the creatures in the world had gift of speech in that time. Okay, the mud, the stone, grass, flowers, insects, birds, animals, all could speak and communicate like man. Okay, like man means like human. Uh, that those were also able to communicate. So story is like that one person was wandering. Okay, means he was going from one place to another, and then he found a piece of clay. Then, students, he found a piece of clay lying at his feet. So there was once a one piece of clay lying at his feet, means mud. Okay, mud was there in his feet. So the man asked, why scent is coming from you? Okay, are you some sort of precious stone? Are you a stone, precious stone? He was amazed, that man was amazed how this mud is smelling. So the mud said, no, I am not a stone, not I am not a precious stone. Okay, now I am not hiding anything, I am just a piece of clay. The mud said, I am just a piece of clay. So how come you smell so sweet? That man asked, why are you smelling so sweet? So what is the secret of your fragrance? Okay, why there is lot of fragrance in you? So the mud said, the fact is that I have been dwelling with jasmine plant. So students, that mud was living with jasmine plant. So nearby there was jasmine plant, and we know that how jasmine scents. Okay, its fragrance is very nice. So that fragrance was also there in mud. So students, what you learn from this story? You learn that you fragrance like something or someone, you do friendship. If you do friendship with bad person, okay, that quality will be in you. Okay, if you friendship with good people, okay, good children, in you there will be good qualities. So what was the so special about piece of clay? So students, special about piece of clay was that his fragrance was very nice. Okay, how did the mind get the fragrance? Mind, it is not mind, it is mud. So students, mud got the fragrance from jasmine plant. Okay, what message do you get from this fable? Students, the message you get from this fable is that you should do frank friendship with lovely people, nice people. Okay, you should not do friendship with bad people. Who are your friends? How do they influence you? Okay, students, so you had to think how, who are your friends? Are they giving good influence to you or bad influence to you? Okay, just think about your friends and think, are they good or bad? All of us students like to spend time in company of friends. Okay, you have friend, I have friend, other teachers have friend, parents have friends. So from the time children begin to play, they love the company of other children of their age. Okay, so when we are born, we do friendship. Boys and girls all do friendship to their classmates, neighbors. Parents generally understand this need of the children and encourage them to develop healthy friendship. Parents also encourage you to do friendship, but with good students, okay, good childrens. Adults too have need for friends and companions. Even old age demands friendship and companion. Human beings have natural urge for companionship. स्टूडेंट्स ह्यूमंस आर, इंसान जो है वो एक सोशल क्रिएचर्स है. सोशल मीन्स दे लाइक टू लिव विथ अदर पीपल्स कंपेनियनशिप. ओके, दे आर सोशल बींग्स. टू मेक फ्रेंड्स इज नेचुरल एंड बेसिक नीड ऑफ मैन. मैंस हियर मीन्स ह्यूमन. To make friends is a basic need of human. As a social being, we need others to work and play with. Okay, we need others to work with and play with. We need companions to share our ideas and feelings. Okay, we need other pupils to share our ideas and share our feelings. And when we grow up, likes and dislikes our ideas and thoughts become more pronounced. Okay, we then need friendship who can understand and support us. So when we grow up, students, we need people around us who can support us and understand us. Okay, what is friendship then? Is it relationship just that happens? So why do people do friendship? Okay, it cannot be made by compelling someone. You cannot say that I want to your friends to just be my friend. Okay, you cannot compel them. किसी को उसकी मर्जी के बिना आप फ्रेंड नहीं बना सकते. ओके, कंपेलिंग मीन्स मर्जी के बिना काम करवाना. सो स्टूडेंट्स, friends are not used to things for satisfying certain needs. Okay, so suppose you want to do something and you want to make friends. That is not how it works. Okay, for just getting them work. Okay, किसी काम, अपने काम के लिए, मतलब के लिए फ्रेंड्स नहीं बना सकते. सेटिस्फाइंग के लिए. फ्रेंड्स इज अ सबलाइंग रिलेशनशिप. सबलाइम मीन्स बहुत ऊपर है रिलेशनशिप. ये किसी को, मतलब किसी के मर्जी के बिना बनाना या किसी काम के लिए बनाना, ये नहीं होता फ्रेंडशिप. फ्रेंडशिप इज अ सबलाइम, सबसे बढ़ के रिलेशनशिप है. मीन्स स्टूडेंट्स, when you are in friendship, you need to think about other person. Okay, when you are in friendship, you need to think about other person, and that person also need to think about you. Only sincere person can make lasting friendship. Okay, sincere means who thinks about other person. Okay, that can that can only make lasting friends. Okay, if you only think about yourself and do not think about other person, then that other person will not be friends to you for long time. Okay, so you need to think about other person also. A friend is also always interested in welfare of others. Okay, a selfish person can never make a true and lasting friends. If you are selfish, then your friends will be not with you forever. Okay, real friends does not look for attention from others. Okay, real friends does not look attention, means so करना. If you are true friend, then you do not need to show, always does not need to show. Okay, you need to understand other person also. Okay, instead he pays attention to what the other says, so you need to understand about other person also. True friendship calls for a mutual and equal relationship. Mutual means each other. Okay, you need to understand each other if you are in true relationship. Friends do not impose themselves on others. Okay, if you are true friend, you don't need to say about yourself also. You need to understand about other person also. They encourage each other in doing good and tolerate each other's weak points. If you are true friend, यू टॉलरेट दूसरे जो है उनके वीक पॉइंट्स है. ओके, सपोज एक स्टूडेंट कमज़ोर है खेलने में या फिर किसी और चीज़ में वीक है, तो आप क्या करते हो, उस वीक स्टूडेंट को भी साथ में लेके चलते हैं, वीक फ्रेंड्स को. ओके, वीक फ्रेंड्स को लेके साथ में चलते हो, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि बैड पीपल को भी साथ में लेके चलो. ओके, वीक मतलब होता है कि स्किल का कमी होना, जैसे कि किसी को मोबाइल कम चलाने आता है या बुक रीड कम करने आता है या गेम में स्लो है. So you tolerate them, okay, you teach them, you help them to learn something, okay. Friends rejoice at the success of others. So true friends rejoice means when they are happy when other friends get success, okay. And when other friends get failure, you encourage them to get success, okay. And you help them in their sorrows means when they are sad, you help them, you say them that you will get success another time, don't worry. And students, you do not need to do friendship with bad pupils, okay. See, gang spirit means group spirit. Group spirit is good thing, okay. When it is good, when you do it for good thing, okay. When you play in group, and you when you do some activity, okay, some school activity in group, that is good thing. But when you do wrong thing in group, that is not good. Suppose you say, one person says, you do bad thing, I will help you, okay. One person does bad thing and you help them. Similarly, you do bad thing and you goes to other person for help, okay. So this type of group activity is not good, okay. Mischief and misconduct means wrongdoing. You should not help other in wrongdoing, okay. Because when you are in true relationship, true friendship, you expect good thing from other people. अब कोई स्टूडेंट्स आपको बोलेगा कि मैं आपका फ्रेंड हूँ और मेरी हेल्प करो, मैंने कुछ गलत काम किया और मेरी हेल्प करो, ओके। तो ये नहीं होता है गलत काम करके हेल्प करना, क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स अगर आप फ्रेंडशिप में हो तो आप उससे डिमांड करो, अदर पर्सन से डिमांड करो। क्या डिमांड करो? कि आपको अच्छा पर्सन रहना है, ख़राब पर्सन नहीं रहना है, ये आप अपने फ्रेंडशिप में डिमांड करो। लेकिन वीक को आप हेल्प करो, जैसे कि कोई स्टूडेंट्स क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं कर पा रहा है, तो ये मतलब नहीं है कि वो बैड है, ओके। दैट डज नॉट मीन ही इज़ बैड, इट मीन्स ही इज़ weak. So you need to help weak student, but does not need to help bad people. Friends takes a lot of each other's time. It is important to plan your life and activity so you don't waste your time in nature of friendship. So you do not need to waste your time in friendship, okay. In the name of friendship, you don't do wrong things. Your friends may require you to involve in group activities outside school and home, but it should not at the expense of your duties at home or school, okay. So your friends may say that outside the school, your friends may say that let's play, but you should also fulfill your duties of home and school. You should help your parents in doing their home works, okay. The work that they do at they work that they do at their home, you should help them, okay. And also you should do school work also in your home, okay. In the name of friendship, you don't need to waste your time. You must not involve in any friendship activity which your family members or school authority does not approve, okay. सो ऐसे कोई भी एक्टिविटी, ऐसे कोई भी फ्रेंडशिप आपको नहीं करने हैं जो आपके फैमिली और स्कूल नहीं करने बोलते हैं, ठीक है। सो व्हाट इज़ ट्रू फ्रेंड्स? सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई विल सेंड यू आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. ट्रू फ्रेंड्स इज समथिंग which understand you, okay, which understand other friends, okay. There are lots of things about true friends, so I will send you. How does gang spirit influence children? So gang spirit can influence children in good way or also in bad way, so I will send you answer. Think of all friends, write their names. Students, write some names of your friends. Who among them is your best friend? Also circle your best friend. Write down some of his good qualities. Write about them, about their good qualities and bad qualities. Then write a letter appreciating him for those qualities. So students, then write a letter, means just write five to 8 lines about that good friend and contact that friend and read it loud. ओके, और ओपन ग्रुप में आपको सेंड करना है कि जो आपके ओपन ग्रुप है हमारा उसमें आपको शेयर करना है कि क्या अच्छी बात है उसके बारे में, ठीक है। ये एक्टिविटी है, दिस इज़ नॉट क्वेश्चन आंसर, दिस इज एक्टिविटी. So this activity you have to do, you have to send in an open group about good things about your friends, okay, and get into your group and discuss the good and bad effects of friendship. Get into group and discuss good and bad effect of friendship, gangs, okay. Means a group activity, you have to say about bad things and good things. This is also activity, you think about it. I will ask in next class. Sit quietly and think of times when you did not treat your friends well. सोच के देखो स्टूडेंट्स कि किस टाइम पे अपने अपने फ्रेंड्स को आपने अच्छे से ट्रीट नहीं किया, और गॉड से आप पार्डन आपको मांगना है, ठीक है। ये भी एक्टिविटी आपको खुद से करना है ये। एंड रिजॉल्व टू मेक ओनली ट्रू फ्रेंडशिप, मेक अ प्लान टू हेल्प अ फ्रेंड हु बिहेव्स बैडली इन द क्लास, ओके। दिस you do not do now, okay. This is question answer. I will send answer of this question answer and I will send answer of this question answer. Here it was there. Yes, this, okay students, this you can eliminate. Okay students, bye. Read this chapter again. I will send you answer of question answer and important words.